All right, guys. So let's do some practical. We are going to create one of the resource group, and we'll create one of the resource under that resource group. Okay. So let's go there on Azure portal. This is my portal, and if I talk about the subscription, this is my subscription. Okay. Now from where I can add or delete whatever I want, right? So in the previous video, which I was saying that I can create more subscriptions as well. I can manage the policies, AWAC, everything from this subscription, right? Now let's talk about the resource group here. Okay, so first thing what I will do, I will create one of the resource group. Okay, so let's create, and I'm going to keep the name as VM UAT, and my reason would be the central India I want, because I'm in Pune currently. It should be central India. Okay, let me check it. Yeah, so here it is, the central India. Next, if you want to give some tags, well, see, tag why the tag is important, because after that you can recognize with the help of tag uh, what exactly it is. For example, I'm here entering VM. Okay, I'm just writing VM UAT, right? So UAT. Now this tag, wherever I will get, I will understand that these are the VM UAT tags. Okay, similarly you can create your own tags, whatever it is. Now review and create. So this is going to create within a second. So okay, this has been created. Let me refresh it. Okay, still not showing. So okay, now we can see here VM-UAT, right? Now what I will do, I'm going to assign one of the resource for this resource group, right? Remember guys, this is resource group, right? Under that we are going to create one of the resource. So let's go in the home, go in the virtual machines. Okay, so let's create something. Let's create some Azure virtual machine. Okay, so here it is asking for the resource group, where I'm going to select the VM UAT. Okay, why I'm selecting it? Because this is what I have created for the as a resource group, right? All the VM UAT virtual machine I'm going to keep here. So let's say UAT-VM1. Okay, and the availability zone, basically it is asking, right? So I'm leaving it as a default one. I'm not doing anything here. The availability zone is zone 1. You can choose any of the zones, zone 1, 2 or 3, whatever you want. Keep it simple, or keep it by default. Security type, trusted launch, or whatever you want, right? So this is as per your need. Now the image, whatever the operating system basically you want to install. For me, let me check for the Ubuntu server. Okay, and here is some spot discount, so I'm just clicking it. That's nothing else, but it is going to just reduce my cost only. Okay, similarly the size here, you can just go here, whatever you want, whatever your requirement, you can do it. And the SSH public key, if you have, if you want to give some password, you can give the password. And the disk, from here you can just take whatever the disk here is here, and then you can click on review and create. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Here I will have to enter some password. Let me go with the SSH public key. Okay, but you can create the password. You should create the password. Let me just give the name here Azure budget or something. This is confusing name, so let me give here Azure pair. Okay, now port is only 22 is open, allow selected port. Okay, now this is the only port which is going to open. On next disk is this one, and networking, this is the simple one. Next, management, monitoring. If you want to do something here, you can do as per your wish. And the next is tag. Okay, now here is it is loading, right? So I'm going to give this tag as VMUAT. Remember guys, we have already created the tag in the resource group, right? So let's review and create. So once you are going to review and create, that is automatically going to assign. So let me create it just for you, and this is going to create. You can see this is how much charges I am going to pay to Azure basically. Okay, meanwhile let me open this portal.azure.com again. Okay, so the validation is pass. Okay, so once you are going to create it, it is going to create the machine, right? And it will reflect under your resource group. Okay, so how it is going to reflect, let me show you. I'm not creating it, this is the last one. If I will hit the button, it is going to create and it is going to charge this much. Okay, let me go back and let me show you the how it is going to looks like. So once you will create it, if there is some resources which has been created, it is going to reflect here. Okay, all these things is going to reflect here. If you want, you can just delete the resources as well from here. Okay, I'm not going to delete this one. This one is for some testing. Okay, that's it in this video guys. If there is anything which you want to know, or if you want have any doubts, you are good to comment.